Management MCQ for practice 1. Management is a combination of art, science and profession. Budgetary control involves budget such as sales, production, cash. The management who are very much intimidated by consulting firms. What are they likely to lose? Confidence. Unethical acts are results of the following factors. Unawareness and insensitivity to issues, faulty reasoning, and selfishness. All of the above is the correct answer. Under the disadvantages of strategic business units, what is that which is difficult to maintain in its uniformity? Corporate image. Dash method has been evolved by Peter, that is MBO. What is the fundamental tool employed by managers in directing their subordinates? Order. Planning is based on future conditions which are dynamic, hence it is said that flexible. The name of the expert who has given recent contribution to management is William W. Edward Peter. All of the above is the correct answer. It is considered as a process or any activity. Organizing is considered as a process or any activity. It is based on the manager of average ability. Span of management is based on the manager of average ability. A span of management is based on the manager of average ability. Rules offer a definite direction to the planning process. They are also named as such as specific, non-flexible, rigid. All of the above is the correct answer. At which levels of the organization does management exist? Management exists at top level. The strategic factor in social integration is the development and selection of leaders. A. Social, B. Strategic, C. Financial, D. All of the above. B. Strategic. In the process of delegation, to whom is some part of the authority allotted? That is subordinates. How many channels are there through which corporate governments may bear on the performance? There are 5 channels through which corporate governments may bear on performance. The activity undertaken by event management companies during event is concept building, communication strategy, concept evaluation. All of the above is the correct answer. Under the characteristics of a learning organization, what is that is recognized as strength? That is diversity. Loyalty to the dash should occupy the place before loyalty to the organization. Loyalty to the country should occupy the place before loyalty to the organization. The old control techniques which was used through years is such as unity of a policies, break-even analysis, budgetary control. All of the above is the correct answer. Consultant must conduct diagnosis to redefine problem. Consultants must conduct diagnosis to redefine problem. The characteristics of knowledge workers should be egoistic र right conscious. दुईटै हुनुपर्छ, egoistic र right conscious. Then the factor governing the span of management. The factor governing the span of management are ability of the manager, ability of the employees, geographic location. All of the above is the correct answer. Who said management is a multi-purpose organ that manages a business, manages workers and work? Peter. Peter says that the management is a multi-purpose organ that manages business, manages workers and work. The following is also referred to as span of supervision. That is a span of control is also referred to as span of supervision. Planning, organizing and controlling demand effective decision making at all stages if they are to be successful. Planning, organizing and controlling demand effective decision making at all stages if they are to be successful. The factors measuring the morale of the workers and ascertain whether it is increasing or diminishing can be listed as A. Grievances, B. Absenteeism, C. Number of accidents. All of the above. 5 management function मा के हुन्छ? 5 management function मा planning, organizing, commanding, coordination, control. Planning, organizing, commanding, coordination and control is the correct answer. 6 industrial activities मा के पर्छ? Technical, commercial, financial, accounting, security and management. Under McKinsey's 7S model, the soft yes are style, staff, and skills. Under principle of effective communication, what should be fully understood by all concerned? And that is policies, tasks, and responsibilities. यो सबै बुझ्नुपर्छ भन्नाले answer all of the above. One of the internal environment factors that influences management is one of the internal environmental factors that influences management is place. Key ethical principles include the following: caring and compassion, being fair and open-minded, fulfilling commitments. All of the above is the correct answer. What articulates the long-term goals of an enterprise? Vision statement articulates the long-term goals of an enterprise, referred to as the father of a scientific management. Father of a scientific management is Frederick F.W. Taylor. Features of direction would be pervasive function भयो, communication भयो, continuous process भयो, all of the above. There are 6 methods of giving orders, like mutual effort, open order, volunteers. The other 3 are command, power, and suggestion. Any moral improvement program of management must embrace the following rule, such as respect individual, be fair and just, encourage initiative. All of the above is the correct answer. In the theory of MC Gregor, following assumptions has been made about human nature under theory X, that is self-centered, lacks ambitions, gullible. All of the above is the correct answer. The limitations of business planning is such as time-consuming, expensive device, heavy cost of planning, etc. All of the above. It focuses on achieving better managerial control, especially on cost factor, that is management auditor. It focuses on increase in motivation and supervision of each department. Return on investment focuses on increase in motivations and supervision of each department. Select the essentials of the policy formulation of the following, such as positive, definite, clear. All of the above is the correct answer. Maslow presupposed that individuals and society develop themselves side by side, and this agrees with his theory. Why? The tools for corporate governance is such as audit, proper functioning of the board, and professionalism. All of these is the correct answer. Following the scope of management. Management is an interdisciplinary approach. A wisdom worker is one who focuses on self-control, what is possible to enforce among workers when morale is high and when they are given participating opportunities. Discipline is possible to enforce among workers when morale is high and when they are given participating opportunities. The 7S model appeared in the book In Search of Excellence.